The correct way to take Moringa and increase your weight loss. Taking Moringa the right way helps with fat loss, blood sugar improvements, and reduces cravings. The concentrated powder pulls out the concentrated compounds from Moringa that drive the fat loss. Isothiocyanate, which turns down fat storage, camphorol, and quercetin, which help your cells respond to insulin. The chlorogenic acid tells your fat cells to open and release the fuel. Make sure you buy organic, concentrated Moringa leaf powder, which provides the same dose every time, same strength, and same fat-burning molecules. Use dosage as directed on the package of Moringa powder for an 8-ounce or 12-ounce glass. For best results, add 1 part turmeric powder for every 6 parts Moringa powder and a teaspoon of maca tea organic powder and a pinch of black pepper to your Moringa shake or tea. Make your shake or tea and cut it in half. Drink half in the morning before eating and the other half mid-afternoon before eating. If you like, you can add organic raw honey and lemon to taste. Splitting your dose gives your body a second wave of support. This keeps your insulin at a healthier range, preventing late-day hunger, and you stay in fat-burning mode. Important note: when you heat Moringa in hot water for 5 minutes and let it simmer for 10 minutes, it helps release more antioxidants and nutrients. Antioxidant strength increases by 50%, and free radicals neutralizing power rises by 100 to 150%. This video is for informational purposes only. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel today, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship.